Welcome to the Explainer. Okay, so today we are diving headfirst into arguably the most exciting, fast-paced intersection of modern tech right now, the fusion of artificial intelligence and robotics. We're going to cut through all the hype and unpack exactly how static, clunky machines are literally transforming into autonomous thinkers. I mean, just imagine a machine that doesn't just sit there waiting for your command. Instead of strictly following a rigid, pre-written script, it actually learns from its environment, adapts to weird anomalies, and makes split-second decisions on the fly. You know, this really isn't science fiction anymore. As our source material reveals, cognitive robotics is rapidly becoming the new industry standard. So here is our roadmap for today. First, anatomy of a robot. Second, giving robots a brain. Third, real-world AI applications. And finally, building your robotics career. All right, let's jump right into section 1, anatomy of a robot, the baseline. At their core, robots rely on a pretty simple trio of hardware. You've got your sensors to perceive the environment, kind of like the eyes and ears. Then, controllers to process all that data. And finally, actuators to actually execute a physical movement, like the muscles. Whether we're talking about a basic motorized arm or a massive, complex factory assembler, this hardware trio is absolutely the baseline. Now, without AI, a robot is honestly just a really fancy remote-controlled car. It's totally reliant on explicit, step-by-step human instructions to do anything. But you introduce AI into the mix, total game changer. That exact same hardware transforms. It learns, it adapts, and it operates autonomously. AI is the catalyst here. It turns a remote-controlled tool into an independent, self-driving entity. Moving on to section 2, giving robots a brain, the AI shift. Our sources summarize this shift perfectly. They state, without AI, a robot needs explicit instructions for every task. But with AI, it can learn and adapt. And honestly, this answers exactly why the tech industry is pivoting so aggressively right now. AI takes machines from being mere task executors and turns them into highly versatile problem solvers. And this creates this incredible compounding cycle of benefits. First up is efficiency. AI-powered robots actually analyze their own mistakes and optimize their methods to get faster. Second, flexibility. They can pivot between entirely different tasks without needing us to go in and reprogram the whole shebang. And step 3, scalability. The more data they ingest, the better equipped they are to handle exponentially complex environments. Which brings us to section 3, real-world applications, from vision to emotion. So this theoretical shift we've been talking about, it is already yielding massive real-world results. Just look at this matrix. In the automotive sector, AI vision is allowing self-driving cars to navigate completely unpredictable city traffic. In healthcare, it actually goes beyond just vision into speech and emotion tracking, allowing robotic assistants to interact with patients using genuine empathy. In warehousing, it means dynamic path optimization for faster deliveries. And for you students out there looking at where the jobs are, listen closely. It's these exact breakthroughs in the automotive and healthcare sectors that are overwhelmingly driving the hiring boom across the entire robotics industry today. But you know, the true test of this intelligence is autonomous decision-making in life or death scenarios. Take disaster relief, for example. AI-equipped drones can map collapsed structures and identify survivors completely independent of human control. I mean, in environments where communication lines are down and literally every second counts, a machine's ability to think for itself absolutely saves lives. Okay, on to our final section, building your robotics career. Because really, the future is yours. The applications here are practically limitless. We're talking about everything from AI explorers mapping deep space to surgical robots operating with sub-millimeter precision. And for students stepping into this field, blending mechanical robotics with AI puts you right at the absolute forefront of a massive global hiring boom. We are seeing incredible demand centralized in top tech hubs across the US, Europe, and Asia. And this demand is creating some highly lucrative career pathways for you to target. Think robotics engineer, AI developer, machine learning specialist, or next-gen researcher. And remember those breakthroughs in healthcare and automotive we just talked about? Well, those industries, along with aerospace and manufacturing, are currently locked in an aggressive talent war. They are desperate to hire students and experts who can architect these complex autonomous systems. But it's not all just writing cool code. Pushing the boundaries of autonomy introduces some incredibly complex ethical and safety dilemmas.
Think about it. If an AI makes a fatal autonomous decision in a hospital or out on a highway, who holds the liability, right? These are absolutely critical, unanswered challenges that the next wave of engineers, maybe even you, must solve as these systems continue to scale up.
So, the tools exist, the demand is incredibly global, and the hardware is finally catching up to the software. We aren't just programming machines anymore, we are literally teaching them how to think. The only question left is, will you be the one writing the code, or are you just going to watch the future unfold? Keep learning, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.